In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate Midjourney prompts with ChatGPT fast. First, we'll start on chatgpt.com. Open a fresh chat and clearly tell ChatGPT what image you want Midjourney to create. Think of this like briefing a creative director. Be specific about the subject, style, mood, lighting, colors, materials, and any camera or art references you care about. For example, instead of just saying futuristic guitar, you might ask for a concise Midjourney-ready prompt describing a sleek, futuristic electric guitar with brushed titanium, glowing cyan accents, dramatic rim lighting, studio backdrop, and a cinematic look. If you want a tighter result, ask ChatGPT to output a single polished line with no extra commentary. When you're happy with the wording, copy the prompt to your clipboard so it's ready to paste. A quick tip: if the response includes quotation marks or explanations, remove those and keep only the actual prompt text. Next, head to midjourney.com. From the Explore page, click on Create. This takes you into Midjourney's creation flow where you can turn that text into images. Give the page a moment to load. Once you see the creation interface, you're ready to move on. Now paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT into the prompt box at the top of the page. Before you submit, skim it for clarity. Make sure the subject leads, the key visual details are included, and any style notes are short and punchy. If ChatGPT added filler words, trim them so the instructions are crisp. Midjourney responds best to clean, descriptive language, so keep adjectives meaningful and avoid repeating the same idea in different ways. You can also adjust small details right here, swap a color, tweak the lighting, or add a reference like studio product photo or ultra detailed, but keep the core prompt intact so you can trace what's working. Finally, click Submit. Midjourney will begin rendering your image. You'll see progress as it generates. This usually takes a short moment depending on server load and image complexity. Once it's done, review the result against your original intent. If you want a different direction, jump back to ChatGPT, ask for a refined or alternative version of the same prompt, copy it, and paste it back into Midjourney to try again. This loop is what makes the workflow fast. ChatGPT helps you iterate quickly, and Midjourney instantly shows the visual outcome. That's it. You've used ChatGPT to craft a strong prompt, pasted it into Midjourney, and submitted it to generate your image quickly, clearly, and with repeatable results.